In a small village ravaged by a recent storm, the sun breaks through the clouds, illuminating the faces of its resilient residents as they gather to rebuild their homes. Amidst the wreckage, an elderly woman shares her stories of survival, her voice steady and inspiring, a testament to the strength of generations past. As children play in the background, laughter intertwines with the sound of hammers and saws, reminding everyone that life persists even in the toughest of times. Community leaders hold a meeting under a makeshift tent, their discussions filled with plans for recovery and support, emphasizing unity as their greatest strength. With each passing day, vibrant murals begin to appear on the walls of damaged buildings, showcasing the creativity and resilience of the local artists.